What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I just want to talk about my experience with this new DJI digital FPV system. So one of my fellow pilots that I fly with at the field, he was bragging about how much this thing is so perfect because he got it really early, and we usually fly out at the field all together, about 5 or 6 of us. So he was out at the field early, about 3 days before we even got to see the thing, and he was just talking about how perfect it is and how beautiful the screen is and how all of us should get it. And me personally, when I flew this thing, the screen was beautiful. Everything seemed like it was perfect. I didn't have any dropouts or anything, no problems. But our experience on a whole is different than my experience personally. I only experienced a little blocking on the edges when I flew out a little far, but I think that's normal. It limits the quality on the edges in order to keep that quality picture in the middle. And so that's the only thing that I witnessed, and everything was perfect, it seemed. But some of my fellow pilots, when they tested it, they had some dropouts, freezes in the frames, which caused them to crash and all, which leads me to say that I really don't think that these are ready. I think they might be maybe 2 updates behind, maybe 2 updates before they'll actually get this thing working. I have to say that our experience was with FR Sky. We didn't experience the DJI controller, but I'm thinking that that would probably be even worse, because I'm hearing that when the screen freezes or the system, has a fault, it brings everything down. In other words, the controller no longer works either. So the transmitter just stops putting out inputs. And so I think that's even worse. It's better with FR Sky. Even at least with FR Sky, you can still fly the thing or try to bring it down lightly, or try to fly back in the direction you can guess, so to say. But I just don't think that it's ready. Maybe 2 updates from now, they might get it all perfect and or close enough to where we need it to be. But I have to say that because of all these little mishaps that we had, I just don't think it's ready. Awesome for what it is, though. Just need a few updates. I know it's not long before we're going to see other companies trying to copy and build off what DJI did, but I do commend DJI for being the first, being an innovator, and bringing this to us early, but it's just not ready. Thanks for watching.